Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a voice changer in Vrchat. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now first of all, make sure to go to the website, this one which is called voice mode. Make sure to download, click on this is basically website voicemode.net. Go to the website, download for free, download the voice mode, and once you download it, install it inside your PC or laptop. And basically you will see an interface like this one. Now from this voice mode, make sure to select the voice filter or voice changer that you want to add, a banana or pilot or magic chords. Like some of them are free or locked, which you can buy, and basically the premium subscription, and use the voice changer. And once you have selected the voice filter from here, let's say this one, so once you select it, just go back to VR, and inside the VR, so you can just go to the settings and review it. And inside the settings, so you will see you will find an option called audio and voice. So scroll down, and inside the microphone, as you can see, like my mic is active right now. So current device is basically this one, microphone system default. Click on chain device, and from chain device you can just select this microphone, which is voice mode virtual audio device. Just select this device, and once you select this device, after that your voice will be changed, and the filter that you applied, that will be your voice inside the Vrchat. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.